Hi, welcome to our second tutorial. As we have seen on our previous tutorial, this is the illustration that I used on explaining the traditional server setup. Now, on this tutorial, we will discuss what is cloud computing service and why we should choose AWS. So, I'll move to my slides. Okay, introduction to cloud computing. So, a cloud computing is basically a computing service that you can borrow over the internet. So, it is a service like server, storage, and or databases that you can use via an internet. So, the point of this is to eliminate the need for physical servers. As we have seen before, the illustration that I did, you need to have a hardware in order to to deploy your website. That was the traditional way of deploying things. Now in cloud, you don't have to do that. You can just borrow the computing power of a server from other regions or even from other countries. So it's accessible from anywhere because it is via the internet, and it offers a scalable resources on demand. So it is easily scalable. For example, you only need five servers on a weekend. Then you can scale down your resources, meaning you don't have to, or in return, you don't have to pay for more than what you need. So the model of the AWS is pay as you go, meaning you only pay what you use. So here are the benefits of cloud computing. So number one, it is cost effective. As I have mentioned, it is pay as you go pricing model. So you don't have to, for example, on our previous setup before, you have this two server room, and if you only need this number of servers on weekends, it will be hard to do this manually. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it will be hard to set this kind or to do that kind of setup. But on AWS or on cloud computing services, it is easy. It is easy to do. Um, it is just a one click of a button or a configuration. Then you can easily scale down or scale up your resources. Accessibility. So since it is available via the internet, you can easily access your resources wherever you are. Reliability, high availability with built-in redundancy and failovers. So meaning you won't have to be concerned on the scenario as I have mentioned, like a calamity where it will that could hit your server. You don't have to worry about that because the cloud itself will do the redundancy for you. So for example, there's a major issue or major calamity happened on a specific region, you can easily switch your resources to another region. So why AWS? So first of all, AWS is one of the leading cloud service provider out there. So AWS is not the only cloud computing service, but there are other cloud computing service as well, like Azure from Microsoft and Google Cloud or Google Cloud Platform. But in this tutorial, we will only be dealing with the AWS. So why choose AWS? Well, number one, the global infrastructure. It has data centers all over the world to ensure low latency and high reliability. So, for example, you live at or you live in Philippines or you live in Singapore, there are AWS data centers that is near to your location, meaning you don't have to connect to the US data center, but AWS made sure that their data centers are available all over the world, and they make sure that if there will be a latency, it will be a low latency, meaning you won't have too much issue with the connectivity. So number two, it has comprehensive security. A AWS makes sure that they comply to the security or to the security or the compliance or the compliance of or they make sure that they comply to the country where they reside. For example, they have a data center in India or in Singapore, they will comply on the security standard of that specific country. So number three, extensive service. From basic cloud storage to advanced machine learning. So it has a lot of services that caters or that could be used from different kind of use case. Flexibility, wide range of options, and customization for businesses of all sizes. So if you have a large business or you're just a startup, you can both use AWS because they have different kind of services and they can easily scale down or scale up your resources depending on what you need. Okay, so let me provide an example. So this is our current setup. So why should we use a cloud computing service like AWS? So in cloud computing service, if you since this is the old school way of deploying and or old school way of using or implementing a server in cloud, you can easily uh, use the cloud computing wait, power. For example, right now you're using the on-prem resources. You can easily point your client or your customers to the cloud like AWS, where you don't have to worry about the physical hardware like this. I can remove this. So if you are using a cloud computing service like AWS, you only have to worry about your code and how you will configure your AWS service. So all of the burden of maintaining and securing your physical servers, all of this will be transferred, all of those burden will be transferred to AWS. So as I have, let me paste this. These are the benefits here. So from using a physical server, we are now migrating to cloud, which makes this cheaper since you don't have to pay uh, unnecessary charges like the electricity bill and having to give salary to your security personnel. All of this will be handled by AWS. You only have to pay for the resources that you use from them. So that's all on for this tutorial, and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.